Alright, so it says here, use what you know about the area and circumference of circles to answer the questions below. Show all work. Leave answers in terms of pi. If the radius of a circle is 14 units, what is the circumference and what is the area? Alright, so we have a circle with a radius of 14 units. And we want to know what the circumference is, so c equals 2 pi r, and we know c equals 2 pi times 14, so c equals 28 pi units. The area is going to be a equals pi r squared, so that would be 14 squared pi, which the area would be 196 pi units squared. If the circle has a diameter, actually I'll do it over here. If the circle has a diameter of 10 units, so we got a circle and then we've got a diameter of 10 units, what is the circumference? Okay, so remember they gave us diameter, so we know that the radius is equal to 5 units. So circumference equals 2 pi r, so circumference equals 2 pi times 5, and so the circumference is 10 pi. And then to get the area, we know that the area is equal to pi r squared, and so if that's 10 squared pi, that would be 100 pi units squared. Alright, and then it says for C, if a circle has a circumference of 100 pi, what is the area? Okay, so we know circumference equals 2 pi r, but they give us the circumference is 100 pi equals 2 pi r. And one thing we notice, if I divide by pi on both sides, the pi's cancel, and then we can divide by 2 and we get 50. Now you can divide by 2 pi on both sides as well. That works too. So the radius is 50 units, but we're not done because they want the area, so then that's 50 squared pi, which the area equals 2500 pi units squared, and that was the answer that they wanted. Alrighty, and then D says if a circle has a circumference c, what is its area in terms of c? Okay, so if c equals 2 pi r, in terms of c, so then what we have to do is we need to solve for the radius, so we divide by 2 pi and we divide by 2 pi, so then this cancels, and so we get r equals c divided by 2 pi. So we know that the radius equals circumference over 2 pi, and so we want to get the area equals to pi r squared, so we know that pi, and then this is going to be c over 2 pi squared. So we're just doing some algebra here, and we get pi and we get c squared over 4 pi squared. And so when we do this, we can do some algebra. The pi's cancel, and so we're going to get c squared divided by 4 pi. So the area in terms of circumference is c squared divided by 4 pi. So that's kind of interesting.